for a Sephora. I'm just vlogging. You guys gotta get used to me randomly talking. Oh yeah, this is our lives now. So it's a 30-minute walk. I'm committed now, so we gotta do it. We're about to walk up this big old hill. We really could have just taken an Uber, but we don't know the city, so we want to explore it. So we're aimlessly walking around, and these two managed to find a winery.
I never know which button is actually. Yeah. So
we're gonna eat and have wine. Well, they're gonna have wine. I'm gonna eat because I don't drink. Go, 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 go! Leave it to us to walk. This feels like 5 miles. This does not feel like a mile. And we found the wine. It is pretty though. Oh, it's picturesque. Too bad I don't look cute today. I would take pictures, but I didn't do my makeup. It's too hot. Please see the host inside for seating. No, we're not. We need air conditioning, Jella.
I feel great. I feel great that we're in air conditioner now. Thank you. But on top of that, we're just feet away from Sephora. Sorry.
Your Fenty Beauty obsession is ridiculous.
Maybe it's my wife. She just doesn't know it yet.
Oh gosh. All right.
So that's your hour today.
I'll film our wine for your wine. So I wish she was still here so she could tell us what this is, because I don't remember what she said.
Oh, it's the Sweet Simple Estate Blonde and the Rosé of Merlot.
Joe's got hers too. It's super cute. Alright, I'm ready. Bye. Thank you. Oh, such a cute place.
See, you're welcome. You were
What?
cute from 112.
Oh.
112. Actually, I think I got the I like this spot.
Yeah, it's really cute. Hi. The architecture and like I love it. Welcome to Georgia, everybody. Alright, we found the Sephora, so we're heading to Sephora now. Oh, are those like lofts?
Yeah, flats. Flats are like apartments.
Yeah. Clearly. I wonder what else is over here. Just getting a green juice because I have not had any. I haven't had any vegetables. Where are my friends? Oh, they're over there. They have a lot of really, I mean, this is pretty much it. I feel like
Wine and popcorn. We go in there to
you and your wine. It's so pretty. I think I might want one of those. I'm curious how much they cost. So we are out here at the pool. It's a little too hot, in my opinion, to be out here. A little too hot for me. But when it cools down, I don't got a problem chilling. Geez, all they do is drink.
Cheers. Wish you could join us. But you know what? I'll take this sip for you.
I'll take my water. Oh my gosh.
You don't know what you're missing.
What is it, actually? Was it rosé again?
Rosé. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Rosé champagne.
You guys want to see my beautiful friend Danielle? Look how gorgeous she is. So we're going to WildnOut We're going to a taping.
Corey.
We're gonna watch my boyfriend. He made the cast. So check him out in season 12 of WildnOut with Nick Cannon. It's exciting.
Yay, go Corey.
We're both wearing like sundresses.
Urban Outfitters hat.
Mine's Rebdolls. You guys already know. Rebdolls. Joe is in the bathroom getting ready. So, oh, look at this lighting. Hold on, I might have to get a picture. Oh.
Girl, we just got to
Wait, no, come here. Look though. Look how this camera blurs out your flaws. That's what. This is what I love about this camera. Look.
Snapchat filter.
It blurs out your face. We'll let you be the main.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it blurs everything out.
Yes. Group shot.
Hey.
All right, we gotta go. All right, let's work. We're gonna be late.
And that Corey's
We just went to a taping. Say hi, Joa. Getting some from the bar. So Babe killed it tonight. Did you? He did amazing. Make sure you guys watch.